How do you overcome your insecurity? By recognizing that insecurity is a mental state. And there are many mental states. We can move through mental states at any given time. That's what we have the capacity to do. We do it naturally every day. So we can move through any mental state. Thereby, you don't have to question your faith because you know you can move through states. And you also know who has the power to give and to take. You will know who has the power to give and to take. What does that other scripture say? No man can take my life from me. I lay it down myself. All right, pick it up. So to be offered all of this power to worship something, that will be living in insecurity. Because here you are saying something is better than you. You're comparing yourself and you're saying, oh, I'm not as good as. But in actuality, that is only a mental state you're living from. When you recognize the mental state you presently occupy, you know exactly what types of experiences you will have. They will reinforce what you feel to be true of yourself every single time. Every single time.